We've got some thunder and lightning. This is a good start. Oh, there's the rain. Oh, look at that. I made it rain. We create that rain effect using high power sprinklers. It shoots the water straight up into the air. And then we have a technique called gravity, which lets it fall down looking like a real rainstorm. Now, most of the time, the little water droplets are enough to signify that it's really raining, so we get the picture. But there are times where we want this storm to feel a little more well-rounded and flushed out. So we will add these sound effects of the rumble of the thunder and the strobe lighting effects to create the lightning. And voila, we have created the perfect storm. Oh no, too much of it. Now that is our very own flash flood that was